Hello everyone. So today I'm going to show you some basic commands in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. First, let's identify what is a cell. Cell is where a column and a row intersects. Every cell has its own name based on its location. It's called cell address. For an example, the cell address of this cell is E3. It is where the column E and the row 3 is intersects. You can enter a lot of things to a cell, for example text, formulas, functions, format elements as well. Let's insert some content to a cell. Suppose I need to add some details on this sales details on 10th April. So I'm going to select the cell that I want to enter the content and type like this. So now you can see it appears in the cell and this formula bar as well. There you can also enter or edit content like this. Now let's see how to format attributes. Here you can change the way letters, numbers or dates are displayed. For example, suppose that I want to appear these percentages as whole numbers with the percentage mark rather than this decimal format. So all I have to do is select the range and right click on your mouse and then select this format cells option. There you can format the cells as you want. There are many options here. Because I want to change the percentage and go for this. Then I can change the decimal places and confirm. Now you can see this percentages has changed to whole numbers. In addition to that, you can even change cells text or background color like this. You have to select this range and you can select the color as you like. Now move on to the next part, formulas and functions. Basically, formulas and functions are used to calculate cell values. In our example, you can see this sum function is used to get the total of the cells range B2 to B8. There are a lot of formulas and functions. Okay, now we'll look how to save time by copy and paste contents. Suppose that I want to get the C5 content to this C8 cell. So what I have to do is select this C5 cell and then click on this copy option in the home tab, and now you can see this dash lines around the copied cell. Next, select the cell where you want to paste this content. This. Then click on this paste option in the home tab. Now you can see this content has copied to this C8 cell. You can also use this shortcut keys Ctrl C for copy, Ctrl plus V for paste. You can also get these by right clicking on your mouse. For example, if you want to cut this 78 from the worksheet and paste it to here. You have to click on this C3 cell and right click on your mouse and select this cut option or copy. I'm gonna go with cut. And then you have to select the select where you want to paste this, and again right click on your mouse and click on this paste option. Now let's see how to insert a column. Suppose that you want a new column between these two columns B and C. For that, what you have to do is select this column heading to the right of where you want the new column, not the cell. Make sure to select the entire cell, entire column from selecting this column heading. After select the column heading, click on the insert command, which is in the home tab. Then it appears a drop down. Select insert sheet columns option. See, a new column has appeared to the left of the selected column. So make sure to select the left side of the column where you want the new column. Not only the columns, you can insert rows as well, like this. Then let's move on to see how to delete content. Suppose that I want to remove the content from of this cell range. Select the cell range and click on this clear command. Clear content. So now you can see it clear the content, but the row is still there. So if you want to delete the cells altogether with the data, you have to click on this delete command. Then select delete sheet rows. Now you can see the column has almost deleted, and see this fourth column has moved up. Hope you identified the difference between clear content and deleting. Okay, now let's move on to the next part. There may be some instance where you want to move columns or rows in order to rearrange the worksheet. Suppose that I want to move column B to another location. First I have to select the desired column heading. After that, click on this cut command on the home tab, or else right click on the mouse. You can also use the cut Ctrl plus X shortcut key. Now go to the place where you want to move this column and select the column heading to the right of where you want to move this column. For example, as before, if you want to move column between column E and F, select column F. Then click on the insert command. See, now you can see this column cells has moved to the selected location. Saying that, let's see how to hide or unhide a row or column. To give you an idea what kind of situation you will need these commands, let me open up another worksheet. So here, suppose that you want to compare this two columns, company name and email address. So it is little bit difficult to compare those columns back and forth, going back and forth. At the same time, we can't delete these other columns as well. So what we gonna do is hide these unwanted columns. So first I have to select the unwanted columns. Then right click on the mouse and select this hide option. See, now you can easily compare those two columns. This green line shows the location of the hidden columns. You can see A, B, C, D, E columns are hidden. You can get an idea about the location of the hidden columns from this green line. Then I want to unhide those columns. For that, what you have to do is select the columns on both sides of the hidden columns, and then right click on the mouse and select unhide option. See, the hidden columns have appeared again. Okay, now moving on to talk about the wrapping text and merging cells. So let's see what does this wrapping text do. I'll explain this using an example. In here you can't see the rest of this address lines, right? So basically what you can do is adjust this column size and see the address. But instead of adjusting this column, you can simply use wrapping text option. You have to select this cell and click the wrap text option in the home tab. See, now the whole address is shown like 2 lines. You can do the same thing for these things as well. See, now you can see this address lines clearly. For unwrap, select the range and click on this wrap text icon again. Now it has become previous mode. Then the merging. Merging is also a very important option. Let me explain this also using an example. Normally, this first row is belongs to all of these columns, right? So we are going to merge these cells. Select the cells and click on this merge and center option. See, now you can see the selected cells have merged and the text has centered as well. In addition to that, if you want to access more options, click this drop down. There you can choose 4 options: merge and center, merge across, merge cells, unmerge. Basically this merge and center combine and center the contents of the selected cell. Merge across, do merge selected cell in the same row into one large cell. This option merge cells into one cell, but it doesn't center. As well the unmerged cells, it unmerged the cells. You can try out those things as well. So that's all for today. Hope you all clear with today's content. Thank you.